Oh, I found the problem. It's the stoppies thing. You know that sound? Stop. The volume is too loud. The speaker's literally shaking the speaker housing. Yep, so that's our problem. Well, we better go get that fixed.
What's warm?
So, yeah, I gotta turn the volume down. That explains why we're having that noise, because literally the speaker housing is vibrating, and that's what's making the scratching noise. So, I guess we'll put the shell back on and go on JMRI and turn the volume down a bit, because that speaker that's in it, I don't feel like breaking it. One day I may